if I hadn't...
All right, YouTube, Murtacus back here, bringing you guys a video in the countryside. I feel like I'm in Italy. But I got the S430. This car has been such a rude customer. My battery died. I think my door locks haven't been working, so it's been, you know, drawing electricity. But I pulled the fuse. I just jump started it. I'm gonna have another video on how I got the trunk open. It was actually insane. Need to clean her up, but she's looking good. The scenery's good, so let's get straight into the video. Go on a little cruise. Feels good. I'm afraid to turn it off right now just because of the battery situation, so I need to drive it for like an hour. But yeah, she still pulls. V8. She still hauls butt for a 20-year-old car. Yeah, M113 engine. Look it up. They put in a lot of Mercedes at the time for a reason. It's really smooth, nice and torquey. But this is a big body, so it kind of needs the oomph to go, especially in the US. I know in Europe they have V6 models of this car. I think they have a diesel that they brought over to the US, but this is a North American spec one. Quite different than the European models from what I was looking online. But yeah, we're just in the countryside. Nice little video for you guys. There's a RC plane park, which is pretty cool if you're into that stuff. But it feels good to be back in this car. It's been down for a little bit since I couldn't get access to the trunk to jump start it, but now I got it, so we're good to go. But we're like in some forest area. Comfortably. Best thing about these S classes, it just feels like you're floating on a comfy couch. I mean, the seat is so relaxing. You could drive this all day and not get tired. You'll fall asleep just from how smooth it is, honestly. These cars are really nice. But like I said, I think I'm moving on. I'm trying to finish, you know, what I can on it, and I think I'm just gonna sell it right now. The engine and transmission work beautifully, but it's having some weird electronic issues, and I think it's time for me to give it as a project car to the next person. But this car has tons of life left. Let me see how many miles we're at. 165,000. These go for a while. Shout out to the Facebook group. They really helped me out on diagnosing problems with this car, especially trying to get into the trunk. I forgot his name, but shout out to that guy that told me the trick. You really helped me out because I had like no access to the trunk. But I think I have the manual key, but I think the person who had it before me replaced the door lock actuator for the trunk, and they didn't reuse the old key cylinder, so when I put the key in, it doesn't fit. But it works for the side door. This front door, I can lock it manually, but unfortunately not for the trunk. I think someone replaced it and they did not include the new hardware. I think they were just using the remote, because when I first got this car, let me put the windows up. When I first got this car, the you know, the remote for the key fob would unlock, you know, the doors and the trunk, but I think the motor went out. I'm trying to source one either from a junkyard or if I can find one on eBay. But you know, it's pretty inconvenient not to be able to get into the trunk, because if you guys didn't know, on this model, this generation, there's no there's no positive terminal in the front, so you have to get into the trunk to really jump it. There's one under the passenger seat, but that just turns on the accessories, so you have to get to the trunk if you want to jump start the car. So, you know, oh, another one. Let's see if we can catch up to it. Yeah, another. Sounds good. If I had an exhaust on this, oh my gosh. But you can hear that engine. The V8 sounds good. But that's another W220, same color, same black on looks like black interior. See what it is. But yeah, a lot of people have these cars. I mean, they're really popular for a reason, but just be ready for the weird electronic issues and maintenance on these. These are not your Corolla or Toyota car. But if you got tools and you got internet connection, I definitely recommend getting one of these. There's tons of information on how to you know, do the maintenance and keep up with the car. But beautiful road we're on. Got my amazing girlfriend with me. She's been filming and helping me with the miscellaneous stuff. Shout out my girlfriend. Is that another one? Nah. But yeah, this is just a chill road. More content's on the way. I just did a bunch of work on my garage that I just got into. If you haven't seen the previous video, I installed LED lights, and the homeowner also fixed the garage door. It was an RV storage unit, so the door is very heavy. We couldn't get it up unless we had like 3 or 4 people lift it up. I think it's like 500 pounds. So that's fixed. Soon we'll be having a lot more content in the garage, DIY fixing my next project car, and stuff like that. But the AC is working good. This car is very comfortable when it's working. And yeah, we'll just go on a little cruise. Got my little tag. Shout out tag. Nice watch brand. This watch is older than me, which is crazy, and it still works really good. But yeah, you got dual pane windows. It's very quiet in here, very smooth with the air suspension. Is that an AMG? I can't tell. Oh, it's a 4MATIC. It's an S500, so it has the bigger engine on that one. I think it is a little bit faster for sure. It's the 5 liter. This is the 4.3. But honestly, it's nice. All of them are nice. But yeah, guys, thank you so much for your support. Make sure you subscribe, like this video, comment down below what you want to see next. I'll catch you on the next one. Murtacus out. Peace.